Hi, I'm Andrew Upshon from Dicadata, and I'm here today with Mario from Barco to tell us everything about Barco ClickShare. Welcome, Mario. Thanks for being here today.
Andrew, thanks for having me. It's a pleasure.
Really interested to hear everything about ClickShare. So where did it all start? Tell us a bit about it.
Barco ClickShare was launched 12 years ago as a simple wireless presentation solution, simply to remove the HDMI leads or DisplayPort leads at the time, and a number of other little adapters that everybody needed to plug into now. So that's what ClickShare was initially innovated, to remove that complexity within the meeting room space.
And I believe you're market leaders.
Absolutely, market leaders in this space for some time. We were the first to innovate the ClickShare button. So we are the leading vendors in wireless presentation, wireless conferencing, and obviously the ClickShare button, which is what ClickShare is really all about.
Okay, so we're talking about the ClickShare button. Tell us exactly how it works.
Oh, very simple. So users simply walk into that meeting room, they plug in a USB button, click, and they share content on screen. It's very much as simple as that.
One of the amazing things about Barco ClickShare is the amount of different types of rooms that the product can go into. So tell me about that.
Correct, yeah, that's absolutely true, Andrew. The ClickShare device was originally designed for wireless presentation. Anywhere with a display, you can simply walk in there, remove the cables, you had the ClickShare button, you can share and just present content locally. You've got video enabled rooms. You may have a dedicated room system like a Teams room or a Zoom room. We can add ClickShare into that room.
Right.
The users can have the same user experience where they can simply plug in the button again, share content locally, or again, share into that Teams or Zoom room solution as well. We also have another solution that enables that feature to go one step further, to enable it to go into, I guess, what we call bring your own meeting for flexible room solutions. So if you're using a Teams room, we can then switch to whether it's Zoom or Google Hangouts, whatever it might be. We've got the functionality to be able to do that as well.
So really what you're saying is, it doesn't matter which meeting room it is in an office complex, you can be in every single meeting room, which is actually incredible.
The way we see it is that ClickShare should be in every meeting room. You want that same user experience in every room.
Okay.
So that way users know what they're doing in one room, they can go to the next room and again, be able to have that same experience.
So what about other features? There's digital signage, I hear, a little bit about the warranty, etc.
Yeah, absolutely. On installation, you can simply register a unit on our free management portal, which is a cloud-based management system. And then within that system itself, allows you to use the ClickShare as a digital signage endpoint. So we can have, instead of a static splash screen, we can have some digital signage running. So whatever content that you want to run on your digital signage platform. And again, there's no extra charge for that. That's, whatever you do with whichever digital signage platform you're using is, compatible.
Oh, that's actually great because that gives consistency. So again, you've got consistency of what you're using on the device in terms of pushing a single button to make it work, and consistency in terms of the display and what you're seeing on the display,
Correct.
whether you're in the meeting or out the meeting.
Absolutely.
That's fantastic.
Yeah.
So Mario, what happens if there is a room that doesn't have a camera in it?
If there's no room with camera, it's what we've been doing since day dot. Plug in the button, and with the ClickShare button or with our ClickShare application, you can simply wirelessly present from there. So you can just use the ClickShare for wireless presentation only.
And if you want to add a camera?
Quite simple, use our ClickShare conference range, which then basically allows you and enables that camera to be activated when you run your video call from your laptop.
And the good news is you have your own cameras now.
That's true, yes, we released that earlier this year. So we have an all-in-one bar, which has our ClickShare inbuilt in it. So you can just have one solution that fits all.
So the meeting room isn't just for the person who meets in the room, it's also for the IT department. So tell us a little bit about the benefits of the Barco management platform and how that helps.
Absolutely, Andrew, that's a great point. XMS management is there, as the name implies, it's a management portal. So that gives the IT department a central location for them to be able to, whether it's deploying software or also managing those units and keeping the firmware up to date, etc. By registering the unit on the management portal opens up our 5-year smart care plan. So anything that actually happens or goes wrong with the unit is basically a straight out replacement with respects to that.
Fantastic.
And that's all covered for 5 years.
You got everyone covered then.
Well, we try to. It's important to ensure that we cover not only the users of the room, but also the IT department as well, for them to have easy management on their side as well.
Mario, thank you very much for being here today. It's been really informative.
Thank you for having me.
And for more information about the Barco ClickShare solutions, please contact the Dicadata sales team.